Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, Mizan.
अच्छा,
Anita
sorry sir,
from
mic
Box
वहाँ
Office
जा
India.
चुका है.
Hi, Anita.
One last
So
question.
my question to you is, when it comes to all the younger actors who are making their debut in the film industry, they're always papped and they are all around. They're spotted everywhere. But when it came to you, you kept a very low key. So what is the reason? Was it a conscious decision from your end?
The credit for this actually, because I feel I'm glad that I did this, goes only to one man, and that is Sanjay sir. You know, I had an Instagram account, I was on social media before, but then he told me, he's like, you know, अगर तुम सब जगह दिखोगे, तो तुम्हें theater में आने, you know, why will the people want to come to the theater to see you? You know, if you're seeing that, oh, मीज़ान ऐसा दिख रहा है, मीज़ान ऐसा चल रहा है, मीज़ान जिम के बाहर है, people don't care मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ नहीं जा रहा हूँ, honestly, you know, but at the end of the day, they want to see what Mizan looks like, and that's what they've come now to see in Malal, you know. And if I've already exposed that on social media, which I think people are doing, and I don't think they should be doing, but you know, and I'm glad I did that. You know, I was not exposed on social media, and today that, like you said, you know, today I'm sure that before you came here, you must be thinking that, you know, what does Mizan look like? What does Mizan talk like? What does Mizan walk like? What does Shaman talk like? What does she look like? You know, what their personalities are going to be. So I feel that really comes out, and I'm glad that we, you know, exposed it the way we have. So
Thank you.
Can I say something? Sharmeen, go ahead.
It's also what he was talking about getting papped. Is not, like, why are they papping you? Why are they taking pictures of you before your movie has released? Sir wanted, he wanted, I wanted the reason for it to be our work. So all of those things, yeah, of course they want to see your
yeah,
pictures,
like our
you know.
work speaks for ourselves, you know, and that's what we want. I mean, what is the reason? मैं हूँ कौन? You know, we always used to say, Shaman and I used to tell each other, like, क्यों लेना है photo? मैं हूँ कौन? You know, I have had a lot of people come up to me and they be like, sir, एक photo. And I'm like, okay, आप जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ? आप जानते हो मेरा नाम कौन है? They be like, नहीं sir, पर एक photo. I said, but क्यों? You know, but now that I hope they will see this trailer and they will see the poster and I hope they go see the film as well. Then I'm more than welcome to take pictures with you. But
Mizan,
you know.
Mizan, hi. We just spoke
Hi,
about
hi.
your dad, a huge talent, and not getting his due. And you said,
Yes.
I'm here now.
Yes.
Okay, so you will. So how will you do it different? How different would you be?
You know, I feel that I've done that through my work, you know, and I feel that if I tell you now, then I've exposed too much. आप ट्रेलर देखें आपने जो अभी देखा है, and I hope आप जाके पिक्चर भी देखें. जब आप वो देखेंगी तो you know, you'll know that how I'm trying to make that impact. And I have two pillars of strength with me, apart from my parents. You know, बुजुर्गों को की दुआ तो है ही, but जब संजय सर का हाथ है सर पे तो then what do you need? You know? Oh, good question. Okay, so I had this discussion with my family, and we all came to the conclusion that I should not, because I would ask my father this question कि आपने surname क्यों इस्तेमाल किया? क्योंकि मेरे दादा का भी surname नहीं है. His name is Jagdeep. You know, there are a lot of people who go with just their names or whatever they want to keep. There's Dharmendra, there's Jitendra. You know, in Hollywood you have a lot of people. You know, so I think I want to go with Mizan because I feel my parents have given me a very unique name, and it just completely stands out, and it means balance. And I think that you know, it's just a name by itself, like Mizan, has no baggage to it, has no, extra baggage to it. And I think that it's a new journey that I want to start just on my own. And I'm so glad my parents have given me this name and, you know, helped me out with it. दे दीजिए, बोल दीजिए सर.
हाँ,
सर पिक्चर मांग
प्यार पे है.
It's a love story, bro.
नहीं नहीं वो बैकड्रॉप में कुछ छोटा सा हिस्सा है उसका, मगर मेन तो लव स्टोरी है जी. नो 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 वो कुछ नहीं.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.